Hi, I'm Stephanie Fung and I've teamed up with Adobe to share the latest Substance Painter tips for digital fashion. Today we are testing out the ribbon tool for apparel, so let's jump in. Alright, we are in Substance Painter and we will be adding some detailing to this hoodie here. Now we will be using the ribbon path tool, which is a new feature Substance just launched. It basically allows you to create patterns that deform along a curve defined by points on the surface of a 3D model like this, and it's similar to a 3D path tool but just even better. So what I am going to do is head straight to the brush tool here, click on this, hold it, and you should see ribbon path, select that. Now we've got lots of options here, but the ones we want to see today is apparel. I am going to start by quickly drawing a line here, just onto this hem. I won't go all the way around, we'll just stop here just to keep things simple. I can make the stroke smaller, and what is really cool about this tool is that you can move these points. They are editable and you can keep tweaking them to how you see fit. Let's start at the top here, the fabric edge wear. If I select that, now this gives a frayed look and I'm quite liking it. The only thing that I don't like is the color. So if I were to scroll to the bottom here and make sure path 1 is selected, select a color, and now we can match the color. You can make it a different color if you wanted to, do you? But I think I would like to match it. Could even just swatch it at the top here. You can move it up, like it's so customizable and I love that. If you want to see it without the blue lines, just press enter. Now if I click on path again, and if we scroll right to the top, let's try fabric tear. Now this is more, you pulled some fabric apart and it's ripped. Of course we can play around with the stroke width and just have a little look. So the same thing, the color is not matching. We'll scroll to the bottom, can change it, we can swatch it. You can see anything that needs to look like it's worn and torn. All right, let's head to the next one. Click on path 1, scroll to the top again. Let's have a look. What's the next one? Fabric tear cut. This one seems to be a neater version of the previous option. Now, if you want, you could select a certain point and play with the vertex stroke. What it does, if you could see, it sort of shrinks. So if you wanted a section to not be uniform, what is next? We have leather strip. Now with this, I believe we do need to scale down. As you can see, it does give a really good leather look. The next one is seam puckering fabric. Great. If you don't know what puckering is, it's when fabrics have a wrinkled effect. We got top stitches. I think that's what we started off with, as you can see, adding some top stitching. So that's quite interesting to see. And the rest are mostly top stitching and a zipper. So as you can see, this one has a different pattern. So lots of variations for you to play with. And with all of these top stitching, you can always scroll to the bottom and change them. You've got categories here actually, which you can play with. But I'm very impressed with this new update because it really does help to give a lot of different details that I would have never been able to play with before. I'm gonna just quickly switch back to this option because it's actually one of my favorites now. Give it a go, see how you do, and I hope you enjoy this technique. Thanks for tuning in to the Digital Fashion Series with Adobe. More Substance Painter quick tips are coming, so don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you in the next video.